Hello everyone, this is me, Raza, and I'm a Google Ads certified advertising professional. I'm also Facebook Ads certified advertising professional, and my company is the Google Partner Company. In this video, I will be explaining you for a step-by-step guide on how to create a Google Ads campaign for a dentist. So, if you are a doctor or a dentist and you want to create your Google Ads campaign, this video is going to be a step-by-step guide for you. Just in case if you want our help, me and my team is available. All you have to do is to follow the link in the description to in case if you want to work with us. So let's get started on this guide, because in this guide I will be explaining and answering most of your questions regarding as a dentist what should you do, or how you can get started with the Google Ads campaign. But before you start a campaign on Google Ads, let me tell you that you need an amazing landing page to get started for a campaign on Google Ads, because apart more than a website, a landing page is similarly something different. And I just googled few of the landing pages ideas for a dentist, and I'm going to discuss with you. So here is the first option. So you can see that this is the first option for dentist. Like this landing page like this can be a good option, but I think something more should be preferred. Like even this is a good example of a landing page. What you can see a doctor's page, and like a doctor showing how he's doing a treatment on his patient. Like even this is a better example, but like in case you can see that this is another example of a landing page, and like this, like a form below, details of the office hours. This is one of the studio smiles in New York. But in case if you ask me, I personally like this landing page, which totally grab the image attention. Before we make a good campaign, we need to have a good landing page. You can see, like the focusing on the teeth, like holding a cup in her hand like a lady, and then award winning dental services, and then like a doctor's a video and a make an appointment. So a perfect landing page with a form is a perfect way to get started on Google Ads. So you need to have a landing page ready before creating a campaign. We can help you with that as well. So once you are done in landing page, now on creating the campaign part. In case if you select this new campaign, you will be presented with like 8 options on which objective should be you should choose for creating a campaign for as a dentist. So your question is, what campaigns I recommend for dentists? In case if you're a dentist, I recommend few campaigns. One is a local search campaign. This is like in case if someone is search for dentist near me, your ad should be like, if I search over here dentist near me, and you can see this is an ad shown here. This ad can be done by a local search campaign. So I recommend first thing is the local search campaign, because these results are even shown on your mobile as well when someone searches. So I recommend you to focus on create on like a local search campaign. My second would be a lead campaign, because we need more leads to get them converted. So my second priority would be to have a lead campaign. And my third will be a retargeting or a remarketing campaign for people who already know about our brand or product. And fourth is a search campaign. Okay, I recommend you to create 4 or at least a local search campaign, lead campaign, retargeting. So like 3 to 4 campaigns you may need to run for as a dentist. Now your question would be the what is the estimated daily budget for the campaign you're recommending. In case if you are a new doctor in the town and you do not have any existing patients or market scenarios over here, so I recommend you to go with anywhere like 50 to $100 a day is a good budget. In case if you are tight, like even $20 is a good budget as well. But again, it depends on the area you like to target and the city you like to target as well. So in case if someone living in Pakistan or India, $20 is a fine budget to accept. But in case if someone is living in America, Australia, Canada, Europe, I recommend you to go with $50 to 100 day budget. It is some necessary to start your campaign on Google Ads. Now the question is, what keywords you recommend to start as the keyword. So first keyword, in case if I ask you, is like a dentist near me, someone searching for a dentist near me, this keyword should be a top priority. Second would be to focus on your competitors. We can help you, my team can help you to analyze what your competitors are doing and on which keywords they are targeting, and we can get an idea and target on those keywords as well. But for someone, these are the few keywords: top 10 dentists in your city, top 10 dentists in your area, dentist near me. These are the good keywords. And then, like dental checkup, dental clinic. I would go with the keywords like these, or dental checkup, or dental checkup cost, or like family dentist, walk-in dentist, cosmetic dentist, emergency dentist. Because someone having a pain in their teeth and tooth is very, very hard. I have experience once, that is very hard pain to bear. So some like emergency dentist or something, like, these are the few keywords idea in case if you wanna run for the as a dentist. But now the question is, which ad extensions you recommend to start as a dentist. So you have seen ads like this, clear choice, or different ads, like just have to search on dentist, a bundle of advertisers will you will see over here. So the what site extensions you recommend? I recommend you to have a phone extension like this. You can see that like this number extension, that should be the mandatory option. And the second is address. This is a keyword extension tool, Korea. Let's say if my dentist company is uh, let's say I'm gonna write my name as a Dr. Ali. I'm not a doctor, but let's say Dr. Ali Raza, and my headline is like looking for a dentist. We can help you with copywriting as well. Award-winning dental clinic, something like this should be our ad. We can help with all dental needs, blah blah. Okay, what extensions I'm recommending you is to have a call extension like your phone number over here, so people can see you, and also a location extension. These two extensions are necessary in case if you are going to run ad for as a Google dentist, because people may want to see your location, because this cannot be done over online. You may need a physical visit for a doctor, and you have to certainly like shortify your areas where you are servicing. You cannot run a campaign for a whole city. Like I even do not recommend you to run which areas to select for running ads on Google. I recommend you to go with like 10 miles is 10 miles, or maximum 15 miles should be the area, because people won't travel, and they can find another dentist in the area. Or unless and until you are an exceptionally well known dentist, like people can travel far away from you. Other than that, I do not recommend you to cover more than the area of your radius or the location you are based in. So I do not recommend targeting more than this radius for your dentist, if you're a dentist. And location extensions, like I told you, like call extension and location extension should be the preferred. And side extensions are good, like in case if you're providing other implant services, like braces, in case if you have braces, uh, tooth cleaning or something, like something like this. Yeah, side extension can also be a good addition. So these three extensions are good. And in case if you are running a deal or promotion extension, you can also add a price extension or something like this, but only applicable in case if you are running a specific deal, like you are running a deal for limited time on braces, or in case if you have got a new technology added, or you are selling other dental items, or have deals available, you can add this well. Okay, but again, this is optional. I recommend you to go with the call extension, location extension. These two are mandatory, so you can win the trust of your visitor and your audience. And then added is a side extension. In case if you have these, you are good to go with this. And then, do Google ads for dentists actually work? Yeah, it definitely worked, and it definitely, you can get it out, get the word out, and get the people attention with your service as well. If you run a campaign with all the followed practices, we can help you at this, because My team is a Google partner. I'm a Google partner, and my team is also a Google partner. Works with me, so they work in a Google partner company. They can help you in having a good campaign with highly optimized quality score, well targeted. We can even work out on the keywords, because in the keywords, in case if you go, there are different like broad match, phrase match, exact match. We also work out on a negative match. And I do recommend you to target with the retargeting as well, because retargeting is going to work with you in a branding. Because in branding, if you work out, then people who already know about you will see your ads, and like they will like, yeah, I know this dentist, and this dentist is a good company. That is a good way to market your brand. Like target those people who already know about this, about your brand or product. So that is a good way to target on Google Ads. I hope you like my video regarding Google Ads for dentists. Yeah, it definitely works for other dentists, in case if you're a dentist. And if you want to run ads on Google Ads, I do definitely recommend you to run ads, because that is a great platform to acquire new clients and new patients for your service. And my team can also help you with this. I hope you like this video. In case if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, and I will be happy to answer you. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and bye bye.